What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode of The Crypto Guy. In this episode, we're going to talk about SUI and the pump that SUI has just had and where I think it's going to go. But if you're new to the channel, why not head over to my Telegram? It's in the top pinned comment below. Alternatively, if you're new to the channel and you want to see my buy and sell alerts, you need to head over on to Patreon. In there, we avoid the scams. We help each other grow in this crypto space. You'll see my buy and sell alerts. You'll get access to the Crypto Ninja group chat. You'll get contract addresses for crypto launches early. And, of course, you'll make some money. So, with that said, let's get on with the episode and let's talk about SUI.
Welcome to the Crypto Guy, the ultimate guide, navigating the...
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, SUI currently at $4.22, a 12 billion market cap. We've seen a sudden pump. We've seen a sudden pump recently, and I'm going to tell you the reasons why. It is because a major wallet on the Solana, which was dedicated to the Solana chain, has integrated SUI into its wallet. So we're going to start seeing people come over from the Solana chain, joining SUI, because they're starting to make this very, very simple by integrating these chains into one wallet. We saw them do it with Base, and now we're seeing them do it with SUI. So let's just find this article here. Here we go. So, look, SUI surges to new all-time highs amid fan strong on-chain metrics. So SUI price is rallying on Friday for a second straight day, reaching a new all-time high of $4.14 after reaching more than 20% so far this week. The rally was fueled by the announcement that Phantom Wallet integration with the SUI blockchain led to record-breaking on-chain metrics. The technical outlook suggests a continuation of the rally, targeting a new all-time high of $5.68. So look, I'm going to give you a price prediction in this video, so if you want to find out what that's going to be, then stick around to the end of this video. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at some of these, well, where I think this is going to go. And we're going to talk about the total free. So some people in my group are probably wondering, going, this bull run is happening, Chris isn't really buying a lot. Why not? I'll tell you why. If we look at the total free here, the total free. So the total free is everything trading apart from Bitcoin and Ethereum. So when the money starts moving from Bitcoin and Ethereum into the meme coins, we're going to start seeing this pump. Okay, so I was waiting. We saw it pumping, but I was waiting for this to surpass a new all-time high, and it did that. It did it today, or was it yesterday? I can't remember. But it's past its new all-time high, okay? It's past its old all-time high, and we're now seeing it starting to break out. And I reckon a lot of this money is going to go into SUI. We're already seeing it in SUI, because I can guarantee $4.22. If we was looking at it over the last 7 days, look, it is going up and down, but it is past that $4 mark that everyone kept mentioning. Is SUI going to pass $4? It now is past $4, and I think this is going to keep going, and keep going. And I'm going to tell you where I think it's going to go from my experience at the end of this video. So, what do we need to do with this information? Well, if you're not already in the SUI coin, already holding it to get gains, like Patrons did get the buy alerts a couple of months ago when I said I'm buying SUI. And I'm holding that SUI. I'm not using it to buy meme coins. I'm holding an amount of SUI, keeping it over to the side, away, and I'm not spending that because I reckon this is going to go a lot higher. But if you miss SUI, then I don't think you've missed out on the opportunity yet. We're going to see this dip down, so I wouldn't be buying this right now. If I was you, I'd wait until we see a dip, and then I'd buy that dip. If we see it go back down towards under $4, then I would buy more. But what would I be doing if I was wanting to get involved in the SUI sort of stuff? So I would be buying meme coins. I'd be buying meme coins, buying them up, waiting for the money to come in to the chain. So the ones that I've shown you already, I reckon they are the ones that are going to blow up. So I'm going to show you. I'm not going to go over them in detail, but I'm going to show you SUI Enter. SUI Enter is my coin. I'm going to keep pushing it. I'm going to keep pushing it this Christmas. I'm going to keep pushing it next Christmas. I'm going to keep pushing it every year throughout the year. I'm going to make it push really high, go into the million, billion market cap, okay? As long as I'm doing this YouTube channel, I'm just going to keep pushing it. I'm going to keep showing you it because I want people to realise that this is an opportunity not to be missed. Another low cap gem, as I mentioned before, Swimber. When the money starts coming into SUI, and we're already starting to see it, the meme coins are going to pump, and Swimber is going to be one of those coins which we're going to see do extremely well. And one that is already doing well, and we're just going to see it do even better when people from the Solana chain come in, people from the base chain come in. It's going to be the boys club on SUI, okay? They went up to 1 million market cap, higher than that actually. I think they went higher, 1.5, maybe higher than that. They're now sat around 400k market cap. This is going to pump, okay? It's got a solid floor. We're just waiting for this to explode. And of course, one that I've always said I think is going to do extremely well, and I think it's a better coin than one of the major players on the SUI coin, is of course SUIMO. SUIMO is currently around 230k market cap, I believe, and it went a lot higher than that. And I reckon this will go a lot higher once the meme coins start pumping on SUI again, okay? A lot of buyers are going to come into this project. A lot of buyers are going to come into all of those projects, and I think they're going to do extremely well. If we have a look at DeFi Llama, I've shown you this website before, okay? Let's have a look. SUI is currently 8. Okay, number 8 is higher than Avalanche. It's higher than Polygon. Some major players, okay? Cardano. Some of these big coins, ton, that we've mentioned before, other YouTubers have mentioned. SUI is sitting a lot higher, okay? 49 protocols. 1 day change, 5% up, 7 days, 15%, and well, within 1 month it's 50% up. 1.6 billion TVL. SUI is going to do extremely well. It's going to continue to push itself up. I reckon we're going to see it sit up here somewhere nicely with base very soon. So where do I think the price is going to go? So look, we can only compare it with what we know already. And Solana was the last, well, one of the biggest chains with the meme coins. Exactly similar to what SUI is doing, but we know SUI has a good team behind it. They are the team from Meta, Facebook, who are working on the SUI chain, okay? We know that this is going to do extremely well, and the price is already doing extremely well. $4. This can only go higher. So look, I reckon it's going to go similar to 120 billion, 122 billion market cap. And if it does that, then that's going to be a 9x. So if you were holding 500 SUI from now, you're going to make $20,000. If we do that a bit more, 1,000 SUI, then obviously you're going to be sat on $41,000. Do I think it can get there? I reckon it can. I reckon this is one of the strongest plays you can hold at the moment. And I reckon we're going to see SUI doing some big things in the future. And I've always said it from the start of the SUI, when we initially started buying it, when it was around the $3 mark. I think we saw it slip under that when I first started showing it on my YouTube channel. But yeah, I've always said SUI is going to be one of the major players in this crypto space, and I think that it will be. That's why I launched the coin on SUI, the SUIanta coin, because I think the SUI chain is going to be the next Solana of this crypto space, and I think we can see it get to that 122 billion market cap, and some people are going to make some nice money from SUI. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.
On these crypto ships, learn the basics, get in early, see the signs. Emerging opportunities, they're yours to find.